Introduction. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about a fascinating topic that's been buzzing around for a while: the impact of AI automation on jobs. This video is part 2 of our AI series. As artificial intelligence continues to advance, it's reshaping the job market, and some roles that have been around for years might start to fade away. So, let's dive in and explore which jobs could become obsolete because of AI automation. 1. Manufacturing and assembly line jobs. One of the significant areas affected by AI automation is manufacturing and assembly line jobs. With the introduction of smart robots and machines, tasks that used to be done manually can now be completed faster and with more precision by AI. As a result, some human workers in this sector may find their jobs at risk. 2. Data entry and clerical jobs. AI-powered software and algorithms are getting better at processing and analyzing data, which means that mundane data entry and clerical tasks could be replaced by machines. This automation allows for quicker and more accurate data management, reducing the need for human intervention in these repetitive roles. 3. Customer support and call center jobs. AI chatbots and virtual assistants are becoming increasingly sophisticated, capable of handling customer inquiries and providing support without human intervention. As AI continues to improve, the demand for human customer support representatives and call center operators may decrease. 4. Driving jobs. With the rise of self-driving vehicles and autonomous technologies, jobs like truck drivers, taxi drivers, and delivery drivers may face challenges. AI-powered vehicles can potentially operate without human drivers, leading to shifts in the transportation industry. 5. Routine healthcare tasks. In the healthcare sector, AI is being utilized to automate routine tasks like medical record management, scheduling appointments, and even diagnosing certain medical conditions. While AI doesn't replace doctors and nurses, it can streamline processes and reduce the need for administrative staff. 6. Retail and supermarket checkout jobs. AI-powered self-checkout systems are already becoming common in retail stores and supermarkets. As technology improves, these systems may become even more sophisticated, leading to a reduced need for human cashiers. 7. Inventory management jobs. AI can efficiently track inventory levels, predict demand patterns, and optimize supply chains. This means that certain inventory management roles that involve manual stock-taking and analysis might see a decline in demand. 8. Document review and legal research. In the legal industry, AI algorithms can sift through vast amounts of legal documents and past cases, assisting lawyers with research and document review. While lawyers will still play a crucial role in interpreting the law, AI could reduce the need for paralegals in certain tasks. 9. Routine administrative jobs. Many routine administrative tasks, such as scheduling meetings, organizing calendars, and managing emails, can be automated using AI-powered virtual assistants. This automation could reduce the need for administrative support staff in some organizations. 10. Agricultural labor. AI-powered agricultural robots and drones are increasingly being used for tasks like planting, monitoring crops, and harvesting. As this technology becomes more widespread, it might reduce the demand for manual labor in certain agricultural roles. 11. Quality control inspectors. AI-driven computer vision systems are becoming highly accurate in detecting defects and ensuring product quality and manufacturing processes. This could lead to a decrease in the number of human quality control inspectors needed in certain industries. 12. Fast food order takers. Fast food restaurants are experimenting with AI-powered kiosks for taking orders, reducing the need for human order takers. Customers can now interact directly with the kiosk to place their orders, enhancing efficiency and convenience. 13. Data analysts. While AI can handle some data analysis tasks, data analysts will still be needed to interpret results, apply domain knowledge, and draw meaningful insights from complex datasets. However, certain routine data analysis tasks may be automated. 14. Language translators. Advancements in natural language processing have led to the development of sophisticated translation tools. While human translators will continue to be essential for nuanced and cultural language understanding, AI translation could simplify some basic translation tasks. 15. Travel agents. With the widespread availability of online travel booking platforms and AI-driven recommendation systems, the demand for traditional travel agents has declined. AI algorithms can now efficiently analyze travel preferences, historical data, and customer reviews to suggest personalized travel itineraries, making the travel booking process more accessible to consumers. Conclusion. The rise of AI automation offers incredible opportunities for efficiency and innovation, but it also poses challenges for certain job roles. As these changes unfold, it's crucial for individuals to upskill and adapt to the evolving job market. Embracing technology and exploring new avenues will be essential for staying relevant in an AI-powered world. Remember, change is constant, and being prepared for the future of work will be key to success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends.